It is a sad evening thutha wa accident gukorwo ikihanikira bathi ya shukuru a Black Spot ya Shasagwan farafara ya Eldoret. Accident iyo yahanikira bathi ino ya shukuru igukuite 30 pupils na magukoretwo makiuma kuria Eldoret makirora mwena wa Nairobi. Kuringana na aria mauma the scene of the accident, 26 people nio makorwo makihanyukio thibitari thutha wa gugikorwo makiri injured out of the 30 aria mauma thiini wa that school bus iria igukuite arutwo acio aria makumaga drama festivals kuria Eldoret makirorete Nairobi. No student akorwo agite moyo wake kumana na accident iyo, but those injured ni makorwo magitengerio thibitari na marathie na mbere na kwamukira emergency treatment. Kenyans kuhitukira nenda ciao cia ukinyaniria ni makorwo magituma pole ciao after receiving the sad news about a school bus with 30 pupils area yakorwo ikihanikirwo ni accident. We also send pole shito na all the pupils magikorwo makiri injured mahone na ihenya ni ndeto iria ciatukinyira ihinda riri. Make sure ni ura turn on your notification oga subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira video shito. Tucemanie na wa next one.